Welcome to Coding 101, Essential Tips for First-Year Computer Science Students. Tip 1. Start with the basics. Learning to code can be overwhelming at first, but remember, every programmer started from scratch. Build a strong foundation by mastering the fundamentals. Tip 2. Practice makes perfect. Coding is a skill that requires practice. Set aside regular study sessions to code and challenge yourself with projects. The more you code, the better you'll become. Tip 3. Debugging is your best friend. Don't get frustrated when encountering errors. Embrace them. Debugging is an essential part of coding. Analyze the error messages, check your code step by step, and learn from your mistakes. Tip 4. Comment your code. Writing comments is crucial. It helps you and others understand your logic and thought process. Always document your code, including explanations of complex lines for easier readability. Tip 5. Embrace collaboration. Coding is not a solitary endeavor. Engage with your peers, join online communities and coding forums. Collaborating with others will expand your knowledge and open doors to new solutions. Tip 6. Challenge yourself. Don't limit yourself to what's covered in class. Seek out additional resources like coding competitions, tutorials, and libraries. Push yourself to explore new programming languages and technologies. Tip 7. Stay organized. Keep your files, folders, and code well organized. Use meaningful variable and function names and create a logical folder structure. This practice will save you time and frustration when working on larger projects. Tip 8. Learn from others' code. Reading and analyzing other people's code is a fantastic learning tool. Study open source projects and GitHub repositories to gain insights into different coding techniques and best practices. Tip 9. Stay persistent. Coding can be challenging, but don't give up. Stay persistent and remember that every obstacle you overcome brings you closer to becoming a skilled programmer. Tip 10. Have fun. Coding is not just about solving problems, it's a creative outlet. Enjoy the process, experiment, and celebrate your successes along the way. Thanks for watching Coding 101, Essential Tips for First-Year Computer Science Students. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content to help you on your coding journey.